Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Metal Customs. Today, I have got a little problem about buying Mustangs. I see one, I buy it. Yeah, well, it is what it is. And yes, I bought another one the other day. Me and the old lady heard about it. The gentleman stopped by and told me. So we contacted him, jumped in the car, run up. Luckily, it was just up in Murfreesboro. It wasn't far away. We cut a deal, bought the thing. I had Barrett's tow it down here for me. So here it is. This is a 1971 Mustang Mach 1. No motor, no transmission. I mean, it's a fixer-up car. But for what it is, I'm very happy that I did pick it up. Yes, I already have a 72. It's not a Mach 1. It's just a base model 72. But it is a fastback. But let me give you the quick run around on this thing and let you check it out, and y'all throw down in the comments what you think. Yeah, I mean, looking at this car, I mean, good grill, front end, lights. It has the correct fiberglass bumper for a Mach 1. That valance is a little beat up, but it may be savable. Yeah, I'm pretty good with that metal work. License plate, well, yeah, gonna have to fix that too. But check out the hood. It is the real Mach 1 hood. Yes, we do have some damage here, but it's a dent, it's not rust. We can repair that. The rest of the hood looks good. And yes, all the glass is good. I haven't seen no cracks or nothing. But of course, car needs a good washing. When we come into here and start looking really close, I mean, this fender's looking good except for down here. We'll cut that out and replace that. This is pretty typical. The rockers look good. We'll know more when we wash it. The bottom of the door, you're going to have to do some repairs on it. But there again, to me, not a big thing. And here's the cool part. Somebody's already put quarter panels in this thing. And it appears that they've done a good job. And even though I can't get under it right now, maybe y'all can see right through this huge wheel right here. There's a brand new gas tank in it as well. And oh my God, I see an air shock line. Thing may have air shocks on it. We'll get rid of them. But yeah, new quarter panel on both sides. Like I say, see all that glass? It looks great. See, new quarter panel here. Yeah, man, we'll get this side in a minute. And we'll come around to the rear of the vehicle. And yes, that is not the correct bumper for it. But the tail lights seem to look good. The side pieces. The trunk is trash. Yeah, she is rusted and dented in. And yeah, in a terrible shape. The rear valance, a little dented up over there, but I believe I can fix that. So I'm going to call that good. Yeah, tickled to see them quarters in it. The roof, not seeing anything super terrible. Do see some spots here, some dents. Yeah, that's a big dent across there. But that's all right. This is what we do. We can fix this, no problem. Now, as far as the interior goes, I cannot get the driver's door open yet. I have to open it from the inside. My other one over there, same way. The driver's door handle is wonky, so I'm going to have to fix it as well. But, yeah, there's a bunch of junk in it. But here's the thing. Well, look at that. There's not a lot of rust in it. Excuse me. And that is my deal. Yeah, this ain't a bad looking car. Let you see what I can of the interior. Now, this is one I wanted to show you before I got to cleaning it up and all that. And yes, we do have keys. That's cool. Yeah, not too bad. Door shuts, decent enough, I reckon. Go over here to the driver's side. Say this fender, same thing. This fender's had some Bondo work on her. Yeah, man. Looks like it's crammed back into the door some. But it's not rusted down at the bottom. That door really doesn't look that bad. I'm in hopes of saving all of that, and of course saving me a lot of money. Yeah, it only had the big wheels on the other side. It's got these two on this side. Yeah, makes it quite funny looking. But like I said, new quarter in there, so that's all good. Now I wish I could get this door open. What happens? These things just, that's it. They don't work. Yeah, I wanted to see the dash and everything, but I'll have to clean it out in order to get across here and get this door open. Besides, I want to run the VIN number to get all the particulars off of it as well. But I mean, look at that body line on that thing. That is just cool. I am digging it. I don't know last time it's been on the road. There's some stickers on the windshield. The 1989 emission sticker. Annual windshield sticker. And I noticed there was one on the front here. Here we go, 1991. Wow, Department of Defense. So yeah, I don't know how long this car's been off the road, but I'm in hopes of getting it back on the road and enjoying it. And yeah, this is one that I'll probably keep. For right now, I'll take these monster tires. I'll probably take this one and put it on the driver's rear, and then grab me two of whatever that holds there and put on the front. Unfortunately, I see it is a drum brake car. I was really hoping it was a disc brake car. But yeah, it is what it is. You would think that a Mach 1 would have disc brakes on the front. That's something I need to check. But all in all, I'm happy with the purchase, and I think it'll be a cool project. Well, everybody, there you have it. I just wanted to give you a quick look before I done anything to it. And like I say, I didn't give much for this car at all. So, for what I give for it, the hood's worth the money that I paid for it, put it that way. So I'm really doing good on this one. Now, looking to the future, I don't know when I'm going to be able to get to it, but we'll get a day where we can bring this thing in the shop and clean it out and clean it up, give her a good wash inside and out, get that carpet out of there and just see how bad that floorboard is. Looking underneath it, I can see some sag, so I'm sure it's going to need floor pans in it. But until we get it cleaned up and everything, we really don't know how much work we're going to have to put in this thing to get her back on the road. Well, with that being said, I'm going to get my butt back to work. I got a lot to do today. Cars work on, I got to cut the yard, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Y'all know how it goes. But if you would, throw down in the comments, tell me what you think about the Mach 1 that I picked up. And if you have any suggestions or any opinions on what we should do with it, maybe a color change or something like that whenever we get to that point, let's say, just throw it down there. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon and or the Super Things. And please like, share, and subscribe. Again, appreciate y'all viewing. Until the next one, we hope that everyone has a fantastic day.